Kindly subscribe to Focus Academic Solution YouTube channel.
Into the time taken. So the next one is the time of flight. From the graph above, you can know our time of flight, that is the total time taken for an object to reach its what? The projection plane. The first time is t and second time is what? The big T. So for the time of flight, we have time of flight to equal to t1 plus t2. So we are having two time required. For time of flight, we have what? T equal to 2t. So addition of time you have what? 2t. So when t equal to u sine theta over g, so you have t equal to 2 times u sine theta over g. So time of flight is 2u sine theta all over g. That is time of flight of what? Of the projectile. That second, what time do you use to solve a projectile? From the diagram above, I just explained now. When an object is moving towards what? The direction of what? Projection plane. So we are the first time, which is time taken. Second time, which is what? Time of flight. So the next one now is the maximum height of the projectile level. So we know from the diagram here that the maximum height comes from what? From the time taken. So we assume that from second equation of motion, we have what? V square equal to u square plus 2as. Second equation of motion, so we have this to be 0 u square minus 2gh. We assume our distance is equal to what? I, because they are same dimension. So from here we have minus u square equal to minus 2gh. You bring out the minus, you have u square equal to 2gh. So the maximum height of the projectile, we have u square over what? Over g. U square all over g. So you add the other component to it, that's just sine square theta. So we have maximum height to be equal to u square